At the local mall, you guys. Some of the other skate shops released an SB Dunk High, so I figured I'd check. And they don't have them. They still have these? Dang, they still have these. The SB Dunk Highs, they're not here, so they'll probably release them tomorrow. I would come back tomorrow if I really wanted them. I don't really want the SB Dunks like that. I just wanted to show you guys on camera. They got these as well. Okay, this is the last pair, size 9.5. Got the gum on the bottom, canvas and suede. Okay. And by 3, I mean 5. They got one right here. This is a size 12. This is the last one. Nice suede. And I got a nubuck one right here. This is the last size. This has been here for a cool minute. But yeah, man, 5 different SB Dunks at the skate shop. And they might release 2 more tomorrow. Okay. Continental 85 lows right here. These are clean as hell, dude. Says Lil Dre right here. I'm assuming that's one of the skaters or something. This one's fire, dude. This is dope. Definitely worth retail of $110. Tons of really good material on these. And they got some other Adidas right here. Going for 50% off the Alohas. These have been on sale for a cool minute. Got that upgraded leather, the Forum 84 leather right there. Huge fan of the Forum 84s. These 50% off as well. They got quite a few on sale, man. This one too. This one as well. Oh no, this one's $100. But that leather is just so nice on all these. Even this Ultra Boost still on sale, 50% off. This is a collab with one of the skaters, or it's a signature. I don't know, but yeah, not bad, not bad. And then I guess these 9060s have been popular because even the skate shop has them. Dad shoes, like sneakers are just, you know, everybody's starting to get into sneakers, whether you're a skater, whether you're an accountant, just everybody's been getting into sneakers. $150 for those. Even got the 2002 Rs here now. Material on these are just so freaking nice. So nice. These are going for retail. Retail's what, $150? Oh, $90? Oh, this is a $574. I was like, what the hell? But yeah, these bad boys right here, $145 for these. See what's going on at the Shoe Palace right here. Ton of New Balances on sale. Don't really know much about these, but 480s. Pretty clean, clean. Kind of looks like a dunk. Right there, kind of looks like a dunk. And then a little New Balance section on the side, $50. 550s right here with some patent leather on these bad boys, $70. Are these the Taylor Swift ones? But yeah, $70 for those. Colorway right here as well. Green, got tan, got light green right here. Got blue, and then tan colorway right here, going for $70. 1906s on sale. These are 2002 Rs. This is a 1906. Another one right here. Got all kinds of New Balances on sale. 2002 Rs. This tan $550 right here. Wow. And then Jordan wise do. Still got these bad boys. Jordan 1 Low OG Shadow. If I could find this, at a Nike outlet for, you know, 30-40% off, I'll take them. You know, maybe these two. I don't know. Is this the latest Jordan 1 Low OG colorway? I didn't even notice this one came out. This one matches the Tokyos, right? Totally matches the Tokyos. Light gray and silver. $140 for those. And then got lows. These OGs right here down to $80. I was surprised because some of the other ones had them for no. They had them for $99.99. They had them for $80 here. Do got lows, SEs right there, more SEs. The highs right here, high OGs right here, $150 for these. These just released not that long ago, $120 for those already, and then another one right here. We've been seeing these. I keep checking to see if they've fallen, but yeah, $130 for these. And then the latest Jordan 1 High release, the Lattes. This is a women's release, and I guess people who missed out on the mochas grab these. Color's not bad. The color on these are not bad at all. But yeah, it is kind of like a low budget mocha, right? Which sucks for me to say because the mocha and this one are the exact same retail price. Just most of us were not able to grab the mochas. I wasn't able to get one, you know. Like I had it inside info and stuff, but I had to work. It is what it is, you know. The releases were all delayed and stuff like that, so it was all checked out. $80 for these Air Max 1s. These are all women's. Lakers right here. Pittsburgh Steelers right here. These right here going for $90. Jordan 1 High OGs. And then what colorway was this? I forgot what colorway this was. Hyper, was it the Hyper Royals or something? I don't know. I think Hyper Royals. But yeah, $130 on these bad boys right here. And then $60 for these bad boys. Comforts right here. Man, that's what's up. That's what's up. I was about to wrap up, but look at this. Raiders merch right here. This is just kind of NFL brand right here, NFL apparel. But look at this, $30? Normally $80. I would rock that for $30 if it was a Niners thing. But also got Leatherman jackets right here. It's just leather. I think it's faux leather, but got Leatherman jackets. Says 100 right here. It is on sale though. So I don't know what the price is. I don't know. I see a sale thing right there. Got starter jackets right here. Is it just not marked? No. Okay, these are marked. $70 for the starter jackets. These are normally like $120 or something, right? Got 30 minutes before the mall closes. Foot Locker's been interesting with their apparel, 70% off, but this one doesn't really have that much apparel though. Of course, we still got to check. I don't see any 70% off merch though. Do like this Pro Standard, 17-time champ. Okay. Yeah, definitely not seeing any 70% off signs. We got $20 hats, new era snapbacks. Nothing too crazy though. We do got both new colorways of the KD 17s right here. These look interesting. These do not look like basketball shoes at all. They totally remind me of the Air Max Plus. Okay. All right, $150 for those. They haven't raised the price, which is pretty dope. Also do got the Tatums right here. These are the Tatum 2s. I don't think I've seen this colorway. Kind of like a denim, but not really. It is canvas. It is a canvas material. But yeah, $125 for those. Everybody got the books now, because we are seeing plenty of these at plenty of stores. More of the Tatums right here. $125 for these. We've seen those before. Got some extra suede next gens right here. These are nice, dude. $170 for these. These do look like the Zoom generations, like his first shoe. Okay. I don't see any of the Jordan releases that released this past week. Okay. Got 23 minutes left before they close. They've already started the closing process. And they do got the lattes right here as well. Seem in a different, this is a better lighting situation. Yeah, but these ain't bad. Those ain't bad at all. They do got the SpongeBob Crocs right here, $70. This is the Patrick one right here. Okay. How are these not sold out? Oh my goodness. How are these not sold out? How are these still available? Oh, because it says regular price. Maybe that's why. They're going for $20. $20 freaking dollars. How are these not sold out? Huh? Oh my goodness. They have so many different ones here. Are they all just like smalls? No, this is a large right here. This one's a small. They got multiple sizes. Medium, small, medium, large. How have you guys not gotten this for your girls? What the hell? For $20? $20. Man, dude. These are $125. Holy crap. These are $125. Why are these so much? And this has been the spot to get deals. These are kids right here. Grade school. $50 LeBrons. $40 grade school blazers right here. These are the Air Force Ones. Talking to the homegirl Henny today, and she was trying to remember how these looked. I was like, the little circles. The new Air Maxes have the little circles in the back. But yeah, these are $130. These are grade school. I still gotta check. See if they've dropped. Nah. Have we seen this colorway? I don't think I've seen this colorway of the Dunks right here. 115, definitely interesting. I still think this is one of the better Dunks. I love waffles for breakfast too, so not bad. 125 for those. All right, do got JD. I don't think I have time for champs. Damn, they don't even have a reduced section. They don't have nothing. Damn. They got All-Stars on sale. They do got them on sale. They're overpriced as hell anyways. I feel like even 40 is a lot. I don't know, but they do have them on sale. I do like these Gazelles. I don't think I've seen this colorway anywhere. But yeah, do got that powder blue, baby blue, university blue. That's fire, dude. Those are going for what, 100? 95 for the Air Max 1s. Got these going for 100 right here. Air Max Plus, and these colorways are just getting crazier and crazier for these Air Max Plus. Got Vapor Max, $50 off. I do like these. I do like these 2023s, right? 2023 Flyknits, right? I do like the Flyknit ones. Seem more comfortable than the one I have. 574s. We've been seeing some of these on sale and kind of like them. I do like them. Like the suede on this one. It's not bad. I did cut the JD Sports visit soon, so do got time for champs. This one does have a reduced section, 550s right here. A lot of stuff on sale. NMDs, I think these are the ones we've been seeing at Ross lately. Top 10s, 550s right here. Okay. Price is not great, but at least we're seeing a lot of sale items. Hoodies on sale, 50% off now that summer is here. Do got the Pro Standard hoodies. These are normally 100. Those are Dodgers ones. Got what are these fleece jackets? Jordan fleece jackets, $82. You get that 50 off. So they got Zion 3s right here, and then they got Zion 2s. How are these still 115? I said this like a month ago. How are they still 115? It just doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any. I do like these. And I actually prefer them over the 3s, but I just don't understand how these have been here for months and they're still the same price. Like these 38 seem like a way better deal. Okay. Yeah, it just don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. Kyrie's still going for retail 120. Kyrie Infinities, he ain't been with Nike in almost a year, and they still here sitting for retail. Nike and all the retailers that said, hey, we're gonna stop selling these, and then they're sitting here for retail. It don't make no sense. GT Cut 2 Academies, normally 95, so a few dollars off. Hope you guys have been seeing my Ross videos. We have been seeing some Ultra Boosts at some of the Ross. Not like we've seen that many of them. We used to see these at Burlington all the time. And they raised their prices to $50 too. Even Ross has been $50 lately. I saw this at Burlington a long time ago. And I probably should have grabbed those for $25. But I don't really resell them. I don't wear 11, so you know, just way too big for me. So and that's why I didn't grab them. There's no reason for me to have them. There really isn't. $60 for the 574s. I think we're done, dude. I think we're done. All's gonna close within the next few minutes. I'm surprised they still have the music on here. All right, we out, man. We out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys stay tuned for the next ones. I got plenty coming. We out, man. We out.